Good morning, everyone. This is our 1 hour time frame. You can see that getting to this our support zone, the price of the market have been moving up, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, sweeping of the liquidity, tap into the previous zone, higher high, higher low. So now, as the market is approaching this our 4 hours resistance in this range, they give us higher high, higher low internal range with a bullish engulfing candle, higher high. Now they get into that our 4 hours 4 hours zone, resistance zone. They tap into it and give us bearish engulfing candle. Now they sweep the previous low that push price to the upside. So that means we are waiting for a pullback. So while we are waiting for the pullback, we have to go to the lower time frame of 45 minutes or 30 minutes. Let's go to 30 minutes. So in our 30 minutes trend, we see that the structure of the market, higher high, higher low, internal structure, another high. So the price pull back and break the previous low. Understand? So that means they are pulling back into this our first sell area or our second sell area. That's where they are pulling back from. So we getting to 30 minutes. We are only reading the previous trend of the market. That is what we want to use for. So in 15 minutes time frame, we find out that the structure is still the same: a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, another lower high, another higher high, a high, a low, internal structure, a low, another higher high, now another high. Now the price come and break out from this previous low. So they are still in that our previous low area. They come tap into it, give us a very engulfing candle and have another break of structure. That means they create from here a high, a equal low, a low, a lower high, another lower low. So they are reacting off this previous area. So we are waiting for them to either break again and pull back into this our first sell area for we to be able to follow them. So now that we see what is happening, we saw that in our 5 minute time frame, the price of the market is not what it is. It's not what it is. So it's only this zone that is still valid. So if price can be able to pull back and mitigate this our bearish engulfing candle here, so that should be our entry. So if price can be able to come to this zone and mitigate this zone, that should be our entry. So that is it. You know the price is on range, so we don't have to, because in 4 hours now, let's make this invisible on 4 hours. As in 4 hours now, they have given us bearish engulfing candle as a sign of strong buyer, that the buyers are on the market. Now we are waiting for the pullback, but they have to buy again and pull back into either this zone or this zone again for we to be able to continue selling to down to this zone, because they are in range. I feel they will range till this week finish, because I'm not sure there is any important news. This period. Let's see if there is any important news. So if there is any important news, that is the only news that can break or make price to break. If today is 18th, no news. Canada, okay, the US session, there is more news. Tuesday, no news on Tuesday. No important news. Wednesday, no important news. only FMC on Wednesday around 7. After the news, not that much news on USD that can make price to move fast. So that means they are still in that range. So they will still range for a main time for either this week finish or till Friday before they can decide on which side to go, either to break down and mitigate this our buy zone we are waiting for, or break to the upside and we follow them up. So that is it for our setup for today. So if anything happen that is funny, we follow the trend. Thank you.